Hi, I'm Rachel Yatuzis, and I'm going to show you how to clean smoke off your ceiling. First off, I have figured out that if your ceilings are textured or if you have the older popcorn type ceilings, whatever the texture is on the ceiling will melt away as soon as water hits it. So you want to prevent this from happening first and foremost by using soy candles, beeswax candles, things that are not going to, leave soot, things that are non-toxic. But if you do have soot on your ceiling, hopefully you don't have a textured ceiling, and you can just grab a bucket, put either a splash of vinegar or a splash of bleach in there. I'll let you make that decision. I always use vinegar, but sometimes when there's bad stains, bleach is the only thing that's going to work really well, but you only put a little splash in this whole bucket. Even with bleach, I think with 1 gallon you use a tablespoon of bleach. You don't need much at all. Next, you want to grab a broom and remove any cobwebs. Just go through your wall, remove any cobwebs, because once you have a wet mop up there, cobwebs just make the whole process more difficult. So remove all your cobwebs and then get your mop, dunk it into your solution, and use this. Just reach up and clean the spot. Now, most likely it's going to make a spot on your ceiling, and you're going to have to go back and repaint it. That's just how it is. Ceilings are a little more sensitive than walls are. I don't know what it is on them. I think this ceiling is just painted, so this one is going to be easier to clean than a textured ceiling, like I said before. But just make sure you have some paint that matches just in case you need to go back over it, and try to avoid doing that again by using soy candles or beeswax candles. They're not going to leave soot. And that's it. I'm Rachel Yatuzis, and that is how you remove smoke from ceilings.